Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the Niptet on TIA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the fake out from a down channel, the price and was again re-entered the same down channel that was previously broken out. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then this is the daily time frame, and this was the channel that I was showing you that we broke out. And after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice short pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $9 that was previously working as a support here. And now for several days, it has been working as a resistance. And we have also found this downtrend and resistance as well. You can see that we got rejection here and several more rejections here. Now the price has re-entered the same channel. And this yellow line is the resistance that was previously breaking at the resistance here for several days or weeks. And now after the breakout, you can see that since after 18th of September, it is working as a very, very nice support. We had a bounce here and at the bounce here and at the bounce here and at the bounce here. And now recently, this downtrend line has again worked as a very, very nice support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared almost 24 hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that was a Gardner pattern, a bullish Gardner pattern that TIA almost completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, this a move I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell target sign, the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal and read the sell targets on here. Before that, we caught almost 93% pump. And this was a bullish cipher pattern that TIA formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. By the way, this signal I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very massive reversal. First, it entered the buying zone here, and we had a very, very nice reversal. And this was almost 93% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of TIA. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance since after 6th of December 2024. You can see that we got rejection here, and we got several more rejection, and the price and again dropped down. We also broke down this uptrend line support as well, by the way. This support was coming from 5th of August 2024. We had a bounce here and the bounce here and the bounce here, and another short bounce here, and this was another bounce, and this was another bounce. Now, after the breakdown, you can see that this uptrend line is flipped into resistance. We got rejection here, and then the price and also re-entered the same down channel that was previously broken out. And now we are bounced very well from this down trend line support. That is, by the way, coming from here. It is working as a support here on 21st of September 2024. And before that, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance for several days or weeks. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. We had several bounces here. And recently, you can see that we had a slightly long spike beyond this support, but the pricing could not break it down and recovered back. Now we need to break out so many resistance levels once again. We need to break out the resistance of this very big and long-term down channel. Then we will need to break out this very strong and long-term resistance on that starts from $3.70 and goes to $4. That has been previously breaking as support down here, support down here, support down here, and support down here as well. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And then we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance that was previously working as a support for several weeks or months. And we will also need to break out this downtrend line resistance as well. You can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And after breaking all these resistance levels, then we can expect that sooner or later the pricing can also hit the target for the breakout from this down channel. And that long-term target and technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.